Morning. Stick with me on this video because I got a bunch to cover, and yes, there is a strange twist to this video. I wasn't expecting. I'll tell you the funny story, the twist that involved here. This is going to be on a mattress that I have just got in that is absolutely fabulous. Now, if you don't, let me cover this real quick. I don't do sponsored videos. I retired a couple years ago. If I find a product that I want to look at or buy, I will buy it with my own money, and then I will review it for you. I don't do sponsored videos. Let me say that again. I don't do sponsored videos. So I will buy the product, I will review it for you and give you an honest feedback on it. There is an exception on this video because this company that I have purchased their mattresses now for 6 years, and every mattress we own in all of our properties, so we've got the farm property, we've got the beach house, and we've got the rental property, all those properties have these mattresses in all of them. For over 6 years I've been buying these mattresses, and I've continually done little upgrades on them, and they're fantastic. I will also walk you through the buying process because this one is a little bit more complicated. There are several different options. You have a memory foam versus a hybrid, you have a thickness differences, and then you have a size difference. So I'll actually put up my screen sort of as I order, and I'll walk you through so there's no confusion. Also, use the discount code DOC. So there's going to be a link in the description that'll take you to our website, and I'll build a page showing all the features of this mattress. It'll have the code up there, and you get a pretty significant discount. I don't know what it is. It'll vary somewhere like 10 or 20%, but it drops it down pretty significant. As an example, I'll give you a ballpark. I don't know where these things are when you're watching this video, but I mean, it's like an $1,100 mattress discounted down to $800. Then you use my code. You're getting a king size 16-inch hybrid mattress delivered to your door, somewhere around 600 bucks. That is fantastic. All right, so let's talk about this new mattress. So when we first started buying these mattresses, we were with the 14-inch standard mattress, which is a wonderful mattress. They sleep great. We've slept on them for years now. And then they came out with a 16-inch version that had a 2-inch memory foam on the top, and so I upgraded 2 of our mattresses to that. Really love them. Well, the company contacted me because they know I do reviews, and they said, hey, we got a brand new mattress that's coming out. It's a cool rest mattress. Apparently it sleeps cooler than most, but it's a pillow top. So you have a regular hybrid mattress with wrapped coil springs, multiple layers of foam, plus a pillow top on top, a real nice, actual beautiful fabric on top of it. And I said, I don't need it. But then I realized my son, Ryan and Jenny, they just moved into our rental property that we bought. We're renting to them. And so now they have a spare bedroom. And I said, hey, do you guys want to upgrade your mattress? I said, they're offering me this mattress. He said, yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll put the old one in the guest bedroom. So we ended up, I'm going to walk you through, I'll show you the unboxing process of this whole thing. But we ended up putting it in and letting it blow. It expands up within probably 20, 30 minutes. Well, the funny thing is my wife and our little dog, Linda, and everyone, we all went over there to visit them at the same time I shot this video. Well, she was lying on top of it. Jenny was lying, everyone was lying on this mattress and testing it out. And we were like, dude, this is phenomenal. It is a fabulous, fabulous mattress for the money. For the money. And let me explain that. Years and years ago, I helped a couple friends open a furniture store. I got really involved in the mattress business. I understand how they're made. You can easily spend thousands of dollars on a mattress, and I'm going to encourage you not to do that, and instead buy something like this that you feel comfortable with. If you want to upgrade or switch out every 2 or 3 years, you don't feel bad just getting another one in 2 or 3 years from now. If you have a $3,000 mattress, you're not going to want to get rid of that thing. And that's the problem. People hold on to those expensive mattresses for decades. And we made that mistake early on in our married life. We bought one of those expensive ones and we kept it for years. And by the time we threw it out, it was just like, man. So I will upgrade these mattresses every 3 or 4 years. I'll just get a new one and replace it. It's just for health purposes. But man, they're fantastic. So this new mattress, it has multiple, it starts off with, I would say that it is a medium firm sleep, but the pillow top on top makes it very, very comfortable. So you have a plush pillow top on top of a medium firm mattress, and everyone that sat on it loved it. But you have individually wrapped coils So you have a coil spring. They have a reinforced side now for more side stability on it, so the edges on your edges actually hold up stronger on it. Multiple layers of different type of foam and the pillow top, and a special fabric that is actually designed to sleep a little bit cooler. Fabulous. I was really impressed. So my wife now is making me upgrade our mattresses. That was the surprise of this video. She liked this mattress so much, she wants to upgrade the mattress in our master bedroom, and then she's thinking about replacing the two down at the beach house, even though we love them, but this thing is just so nice. They're so comfortable. So when you order this thing, let me talk about the ordering process. I'll put it up on my screen. When you order this thing, you need to be careful in your selections, because what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you select the hybrid version. You're going to make sure you select the 16-inch version, and then your size. Now I will warn you, they sell out of these things fast, so you may see a pre-order button, and if you see a pre-order button, go ahead and order it, because you're sort of on a waiting list. And right now it's like if you hit pre-order, they have a guaranteed order date of like 3 or 4 weeks, but order it. So this thing will deliver to your house, and it delivers to your door for about, I would say, for king size, the ultimate king size, 16-inch, everything taxed, everything, for around 600 something bucks. That's a fabulous deal. For this quality of mattress, it's excellent. Now, I'm going to warn you, these things are heavy. This is a 2-person mattress move. When that box comes in, it's heavy. So if you have one of these like little dolly carts, these carpeted little 4-wheel carts, put it on the cart and wheel it somewhere. If you have a hand truck, but it's definitely a 2-person move. This is a heavy mattress, and I'll show you here in a minute. We'll unbox it for you and show you the mattress actually being set up. I have slept hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of nights on these things. Every single night, every mattress we have is this brand. I have just sort of gone up incrementally, and now after lying on this thing, I agree with the wife. I think we're going to upgrade our mattress here. All right, so here's how the mattress comes, just like this. We're over here putting this in a guest bedroom inside the box before we take it out. This is how it comes. Okay, it does come with this little cutter, which is convenient, and then it has an outer wrapper. And this is where, once you start to unravel this, you can hear it. It's wanting to pop. It's wanting to unravel. So it will get a little bit uncontrollable. So don't freak out, because once you start, Ryan, if you want to unwrap that, just start unwrapping it a little bit.
Maybe tell them to clear out space around it.
Yeah.
Get ready.
We've done this enough with these. It gets, especially if the plastic is damaged, you'll hear it start to unvacuum seal. But it's crazy to imagine this is a king size mattress right here. It's heavy, and you have to be careful. Alright, so one thing I've learned is be careful with razor blades, because right now this is all, hear it?
Like a life raft.
Alright, listen. It's wanting to unwind.
It's coming to life.
Gently. Now the one thing I've learned is what side goes up. On this, it seems like it'd be easier because there's definitely a color side that goes up, but you can see the coils on the bottom. This is cool to watch. Now, I believe this is a 16-inch. This thing's gonna expand tremendously. So this has been 5 minutes?
Probably less than that, yeah.
5 minutes, and we're already pretty deep. Actually, you could sleep on this tonight. It would actually be, because it's as fast as it's expanding up. I thought it was going to be slower than the other ones, but now before you know who comes in, I'm going to lie down on it. so I don't get yelled at for having my boots on. Oh, gosh, that feels so good. My back is sore anyways. These mattresses feel so good. Lie down over there, Ryan. So supposedly this sleeps a little bit firmer than the other models. But the pillow top is really nice and
really
soft.
comfortable.
It's comfortable.
It's a good blend of it is firm, but the pillow top makes it sleep really soft.
And
Supportive, but
supposedly this is a special design that it sleeps really cool. So, I mean, in the summertime it'd be cool, but then in the wintertime you just throw comforter on top of you. But man, this is nice. I like this. We might get these. I might get these. You know where I might get these for?
What?
The beach house.
Yeah, that'd be good when it's hot and 100 degrees.
Yeah, these would be really good for the beach house. All right, so here it is. This has only been about 20 minutes, and it looks almost perfect. It probably needs a couple more hours, but I'm shocked. And we got it sideways because it's going in another room. But I'll tell you what, this. Oh, it is. Oh, my back feels so good on this. I yanked my back out yesterday and it feels so good on this. It's cool, it's firm, but this is soft. I agree with you, Ryan, that this is definitely, it's a little bit firmer sleep, but the pillow top makes it comfortable, especially if you have like a hip pain or something like that. It fills the voids in my back good. This is nice, really nice. So I want to be real clear on something. I take mattress review videos very, very seriously and personally, and here's why. If you order one of these mattresses based on my review and you don't like it, you'll hate me every single night for the next 2 or 3 years. I would not recommend this mattress if I wasn't 100% sold on it. I'm telling you, if you like a firm mattress but yet still want that luxury pillow top, it is very, very comfortable. This is a fabulous mattress. It's the best mattress I think that they've ever come out with. Now, up here, in here, we actually have one of their latest. It's a 16-inch with a 2-inch memory foam on top. And I actually think we're going to replace it with this one. This one we were so impressed with how this thing felt and how it slept. Again, in the description, I'll put a link and that will take you to our website, and I'll keep that updated with the codes or whatever you need, but it's a pretty significant discount. I can't remember what it was exactly, but it was like 10 or 20% off. Don't forget, if you order, when you go to order, make sure you select the hybrid, 16-inch, and then the size, whether it's queen or whether it's king. And if you see that it is on a pre-order basis, that means that they have incoming inventory. Go ahead and order it, because basically you're going on a waiting list for the next shipment. Actually, really nice. I'm super impressed with them. If you have any questions, drop it down below. But like I said, over 6 years we've been sleeping on these, and this I think is probably one of their best mattresses. Talk to you later. Doc.